Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MOBOX token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MOBOX is a community-driven Web3 gaming platform and metaverse ecosystem that merges play-to-earn machines with decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible token (NFTs). A gaming and metaverse ecosystem. It creates a free-to-play and play-to-earn environment centered around its cross-platform metaverse, the MOMOverse. Native utility token. The MBOX token powers in-game purchases, governance, staking rewards, and access to exclusive NFT content. Community-led development. The platform emphasizes users-generated content, decentralized governance, and the true NFT interoperability. Access games. MBOX project institution rating is 4.2 and this project audited by Ceritic. MBOX token total supply is 550.32 million and circulating supply is also 550.32 million MBOX token. MBOX token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, Gate.io, MEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.